Hello friends, I'm officially here to wish you a happy new year. Yes, the fact is 2025 is here, and if you are to make this year truly impactful, we've got to do things differently. A lot happened in the previous year, and I would say those are valuable data points that we can utilize to learn and unlearn to make this year exciting and better. So on our end, we've decided that we are going to be spending at least 60 seconds every day to teach you something new. Shall be helping you as an individual or company to learn and apply data skills. We shall be beginning with Excel, which is the most recommended tool for data analysts, and then later on we shall be diving into other exciting tools and techniques. If you're excited and you would love to take your data skills to another level, otherwise if you're an organization and you would love to do things differently, you would love to follow a data-driven approach, kindly follow me, like and comment. Also feel free to reach out to me for any kind of help and support. And the fact is, we are starting straight away. We don't have any time to waste here. We shall go straight into learning Excel, but also there is an exciting event that we've organized on 12th of this very month. It will be a Sunday at 7 p.m. East African time. If you're interested in transitioning, growing and staying as a data professional, thriving in your field, this is for you. So the link is there. I've also added it in the description. Feel free to visit, register and be part of this exciting event. I can't wait to take you through Excel and many other tools for you to master your data skill and become the very best version of yourself, as well as support your team go to another level by applying data-driven decisions. Once again, allow me wish you a fruitful data-driven 2025. See you then.